In the field of waste management, Veolia is creating or developing new technology in many different areas. I'll focus on only 4 of them. Household waste collection. We are developing greener and safer trucks, and with smarter collection incentive schemes like paper lift or paper weight, we are inducing the less waste production and more recycling. At the same time, lower waste management costs by the end user. Second field, waste sorting. In order to recover a larger amount of waste, which previously was simply incinerated or landfilled, we are developing high technology sorting plants. We have 2 of them right now in France, and we're developing many more of them. They, in a nutshell, combine optical and mechanical processes. And as far as 3 years ago, the commercial and industrial waste that we simply landfilled, we now recover 50% of it. We are improving those processes right now in putting biological and chemical processes in addition to the mechanical and optical, to recover more waste from this commercial and industrial waste. Third area, the recovery of very valuable and rare materials. Let's call them exotic material. 2 examples. Lithium. Every car battery uses lithium, and we developed a process to recover lithium for lithium oxide in used batteries, and we have a worldwide patent of that. We're developing a pilot process right now, and we'll probably have running a plant in 2 to 3 years from now. Lithium is mainly produced in 2 places in the world, and it's a bit frightening to know that only 2 places in the world we produce the lithium that will be used by more and more electrical cars. That's why we focus on that. Second example, our haz waste subsidiary SARP Industry developed an iodine recovery process. Iodine is a rare halogen which is used in a variety of applications, including medical imagery and high-performance material. Fourth field, where we are concentrating and developing new technology, is energy recovery. Just 2 examples. We inaugurated the plant near Paris to transform used cooking oil into biodiesel. Used cooking oil was previously just incinerated for energy. It's now transformed into biodiesel and mixed with diesel and put in cars and trucks. Another example is our Ozyloop project, where we transform used engine oil into VGO, which is the basic product to manufacture engine oil. And we developed that technology with Total, the large oil producer. We have a plant in France that will be inaugurating this fall, and we have a similar plant in Canada, which will be ready next spring. Just to give you those 2 examples, only 3 years ago, we had no way to recover used cooking oil or used engine oil. We now transform that back into either energy or pure oil. Our commitment to new technology to recover more and more efficiently and different material is key to our business. Another example, in Europe, we developed quite a large network of paper recycling. We are the largest paper recycling in Europe. We recycle 5 million tons of paper every year. But we want to go 1 step further. Instead of sending sorted paper and cardboard bales to paper manufacturer, we now pulp it, and we'll invest in pulpers so that in liaison with the paper manufacturer, we'll sell the pulp and not only the recovered paper. And in every field that we are recovering material, we now go 1 step further toward production in terms of plastics, in terms of instead of only sorting plastic and selling plastic to people who transform it. We now took part of a company in France which transformed that sorted plastic into actual plastic equipment. And we will go further down the chain in nearly every material we're recycling right now. Thank you very much.